Hello, we are Joni and Sarah and we have lived in that van for 2 years now, so it's 2-year anniversary for us.
Yay!
And we are not planning to move out from our van.
Yeah.
So there will be more anniversaries in future. I couldn't even imagine to buy or convert or anything different kind of van.
We have not seen a van we would trade our own van with. Let's say it that way.
Yeah, let's go through things that we love in our van. Our van is Attribute Twin 600 SP and we love it. You can easily fit here 2 people living full time, and this is just 6 meters long van. And we also love the interior, that it's modern, not like from 80s like most of the camper vans in Europe that are sold. So that was actually one of the selling points when we bought this van, that it was great.
This has been the best layout we have ever seen. We wouldn't change anything about it. It has fixed tables, fixed kitchen and fixed bed. So it means we don't have to end of the day start building a bed from the sofa. Every time we want to coffee, we just pull the lid and put the stove on. We don't have to take it out of the drawer.
One of the best features in our van is that we have full wet bath. So we can take showers in our toilet, and the water is heated by our LPG heater. And taking the hot shower after a hike is one of the best feelings that you can get. In our van we have pneumatic heater, which we love. It doesn't consume much electricity, so we can run it off-grid, even with our solar panel, just charging our batteries. And it's really efficient, so it doesn't consume LPG also much. We love it. One of the greatest additions to our van that we made ourselves was the wood stove. We took out one cupboard here and inside the wood stove. For our needs, the stove is powerful enough, and the great atmosphere that it gives when the live fire and you can lay down on the bed and see the live fire. It's really romantic.
One thing which we absolutely adore is this big deep sink. We can fit our pots and pans here and do the dishes. This is one of the main features that I really love. Usually in motorhome, especially this small like this, the sinks are tiny, tiny, tiny. This is huge. We love it. We surely love our big fridge. It's 3-way fridge, so it means it works on a battery power, LPG, or when we are plugged on the grid. We mainly use it on LPG. It's very efficient, it doesn't use that much LPG. And it's huge. We can store so much fresh food here. We love this thing. Having a toilet in a car is a must-have, because when you wake up you have to go to pee immediately. We love our cassette toilet. It's 25 liters and it's so easy to clean, because you can empty it to any normal toilet, and there's toilets everywhere.
We installed biggest solar panel that we could fit in our van. It was 140 watts. And it has been really good. We have been living off-grid for weeks and weeks when it's sunny. We added another battery to our van, and now we have total of 220 amp hours of battery power, and it's really good amount for our usage. So this is our great office area. We can both work in here, and our office sites change every day. We love the swivel chairs because it saves a lot of room. When the curtains are closed, there's no light leak outside, so even in the night time we can put all the lights on and nobody can see it. And when it's sunny and hot, we can open the whole windows and enjoy the view.
We like so much this big sky roof window. And also in summertime this is never too hot, because you can open it. It's best feeling laying in your bed and look the stars above.
Small but really nice feature in our van is the mood lights. It's really simple, it's just LED bars above the cupboards, and using only those during the night time is really nice. I love it. We have plenty of storage in our van. Total of 12 cupboards, so we can store all the day-to-day stuff in here rather than in our garage, which is quite pain in the ass to get stuff from. Great thing about our wet pad is that our hiking gear, when they get wet, we can put them there to dry out, put the Truma heater on only to the toilet, and it heats up only this space. So close the door, put the heating on, and everything is dried in a couple of hours. And because it has a drainage, it doesn't matter if the water drops to the floor. We love our Fiat Ducato. It's efficient, it's a workhorse, it can last forever. We get approximately 9 liters per 100 kilometers or 31 miles per gallon, and it's really pleasant to drive. It has really efficient 2.3 liter engine. Even in the Alp region, on the high hills, we didn't have any problems with our van. So Fiat Ducato 2 thumbs up.
So every pet owner knows that their dog bring a lot of mud with their paws. It's such a great thing to have a window in our bathroom, so we can just put the shower faucet from the window and we can wash our dog's muddy paws there. Also, if we have muddy boots or something really dirty, we can wash them outside with that faucet. Really great feature.
Or we can go Walmart and take a shower outside, as a nomadic fanatic did.
We love our our sky roof windows are really.
We have stores. Mitä yhtään?
Fresh food ja kaikkea veinasta.